but there's a few things that we need to modify. First of all, the structure of the date is a little bit different than the way it is in the mockup. If we look at the mockup, let's go ahead and jump over there. We see that it's a short version of the month, the day, the year, and then a dash between the from and the to dates. Okay. The other thing is that the dates column should be over here right after the title. And then the third item is that we're not sorting by date still. We go from the 9th month to the 8th month, where the 8th month should be above the 9th month. So let's go ahead and tackle each one of these separately. First of all, let's deal with the formatting of this date. To get to the configuration for the date formats, go ahead and go to the configuration page. And then let's do a browser search for date. I'm going to go ahead and jump through the matches. Our first match is right here at date popup, but that's not exactly what we want to modify, so I'm going to jump to the next matches. Okay, and here under regional and language, we have date and time, and it says configure display formats for date and time. So let's go ahead and jump here. Now remember, we're using the medium version, so we're getting a format that looks like this, a short version of the day of the week, the year, month, and day, and then if there was time, it would display time to the right of that. Let's go ahead and see if we can find something that looks similar to what we have in our mockup. As we scroll down, it looks like this is probably our best option. So let's go ahead and select that and click Save Configuration. And then let's jump back to our view. I'm going to go ahead and click the home page link. I'm going to go to the calendar page. And then I'm going to hover over this view, click the cogwheel, and select Edit View. Okay, let's go ahead and scroll down. And we see now that we're a little bit closer in the date format, but it's still a bit long, especially for these long month names. So let's go ahead and try a different format. Let's, instead of choosing in the views options for the field, the formatter, let's go ahead and go to those long, medium, and short options and see if we can find our option in one of those. I'm going to go ahead and click Configuration, and let's go ahead and scroll down to the regional and language settings and click on date and time again. So we looked at medium already, and we know what options are there, and we don't quite have something that's the right option. So let's take a look at short. I'm going to click on the drop down here. And as we scroll down, we see that here's an option that's exactly what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and select this, click Save Configuration, and let's jump back to our view. This time I'm going to go through Structure, click on Views at the bottom, click on Edit next to our Tour Calendar view, and then let's go ahead and scroll down to our Dates field. Go ahead and click it. And we'll change the formatter here to use short. Let's go ahead and click Apply to apply the changes. And let's scroll down and see our new settings. So here we go. We have a short version of the month, the day, and the year. And we have the from and the to dates as well. Okay, so our first mission is accomplished.